Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on my huge Amazon haul. No, it's seriously, it really is on that video. I just don't know why I was in your face like that. Yeah, so this is going to be on my huge Amazon haul. Everything in this video I got for $200, and I got it with a gift card that I got for my birthday from my mom. Thanks, Mom. So anyway, let's get into this video. I hope that you guys enjoy it. This is going to be a try-on, and I will show you guys all my clothes that I got and everything that I got. I'm so excited. I love videos like this. I love watching videos like this, so I hope that you guys do too. If you guys like this video and you want to see more like it, please give this video a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll make more videos like this. Everything will be linked down below in my Amazon affiliate link. This video is not sponsored by Amazon in any way, shape, or form, but I do have an Amazon affiliate account. So if you guys do click on the link and you shop through it, it will be supporting me and my channel. So thank you so much. I do appreciate that. And I love you guys so, so, so much. So let's get into the try-on. All right, guys, so this is an overview of what I got from my Amazon haul. So I'm just going to quickly go through. We have 12 tanks right here. There's a bunch of them. I think I'm missing the black one because it's in the wash. We have this little beanie hat. We have two crop tops. One is black and one is green. I also have a blue one that is the same neckline. It's this color, but it is a crop top, and that one is in the hamper right now. Then I also have these two crop top turtlenecks. I have it in orange and black. I have these pants. I have a pair of green pants. I have a pair of, like, I call these sailor pants. They have like buttons on them. I have a pair of black high-waisted pants, and then a pair of black dress pants that are high-waisted. Then back over here I have this blue shirt and this brown shirt. These are like just very basics. I have this green jacket that I love, and then probably my favorite purchase that I won't get the most use out of, but I just really love it, is this black romper. And then I have a serious pet peeve with putting shoes on the bed, so I didn't want to do that. But over here I have these pair of sandals that I will not be trying on today, but I just wanted to show you guys these. So I'm going to be trying on all of these clothes today, and you guys can find this in the affiliate link, which I will have linked below. You just have to click on the link. It's going to bring you to my Amazon affiliate page, which means that I do get a commission if you purchase through the website. And then under fashion, you'll be able to find everything that I have here, plus so much more stuff that I love and want in the future, or stuff that I have, you know, that is similar in my wardrobe. During this video, I'm going to have clips of me wearing the outfits kind of interchangeably, just so you guys can get a better idea of how versatile or versatile this wardrobe is, and just how important adding basics back into your wardrobe is. So let's stop rambling and get into this video. Okay guys, so this is outfit number one. I don't really know how the lighting is, but I'm hoping for the best. These pants I wanted to do first because I usually wear these to work. They are green, they're really cute. They're not that high-waisted. You can see my belly button ring, so I normally wouldn't wear a crop top with it, but just wanted to wear it like this today just to show you guys my crop top, which is the black one that I was talking about. This one comes a little bit longer than the other ones, which is why I paired it with these. But again, I would normally wear a shirt that comes all the way if I wear this to work. These are junior sizes, so they do run a little bit small, I believe. I'm typically like a 0 or a 2, and I got these in a 3, and they were definitely a little snug, and they needed some, you know, wiggling and doing this, and they just needed some time to just kind of adjust. So this is just them. They're super cute. Okay, so these pants, they zipper in the back. I also got these in red, and when I read the reviews on Amazon, it said that the reds were a little big, and I was like, oh, that's probably just people being annoying about reviews, but the reds were actually a little big. My sister is similar in size to me. She just is a little, like the littlest tiny bit larger than me on the bottom. And like, when I say littlest, I mean littlest, and she had 2 kids, and like, I'm envious, whatever. So I gave them to her because I thought maybe they would fit her just here a little bit better, because on me, like throughout the day when I wear them, they just get like looser and bigger, and like, they're like already big when I put them on, and then throughout the day, like I had a huge gap. You could see my underwear in the back, and like, I just wasn't about that life, so I just gave them to her, and I hoped for the best. But they were both super, super cute, but the red did run a little bit bigger. The top is my crop top. I'll show you guys when I wear this with jeans, like how cute it looks, because it does look like super duper duper cute. I just kind of wanted to pull my hair up for that, but just so you guys can get an idea of what this looks like. These tops are like my favorite, and this is the, you know, little mock turtleneck. If you guys are weird about turtlenecks and you just don't like them, or like these are like little teeny tiny mock turtlenecks. They're not anything like aggressive or anything like that. So it actually is really cute. I really would not wear a whole black outfit like this together, but it actually kind of looks cute. So maybe I would, I'm not really sure. Anyway, this is the top. And then of course I'm gonna show you guys how I wore this top differently. Okay, so these pants are probably my favorite pants in the actual world. They are dress pants and they zipper up in the back. Let me get a little closer. They zipper up in the back and then they have this part that literally you can put on or take off and it just ties. It's just so freaking cute. I only did it in like one little loop. It also has 2 pockets. And then I just want to say for reference, I haven't said this. I am 5'3", and in all these clips I'm on my tippy toes because if I stand flat, everything is very loose on me, but I wear heels whenever I wear clothes like this. So it actually winds up working out. So just for reference, I am 5'3". I don't have a large torso. I'm more legs and less torso. Okay, my top is another one of my crop tops. This is the green one. I'm going to show you guys. I wouldn't typically wear this green one with this outfit. I just feel like these pants are a little bit too dressed up for this top. But I just want to show you guys another alternative view. I'm going to show you these pants worn differently and then this top worn differently. Okay, so these jeans, if you've been like on my channel or like in my life, you've definitely seen me wear these. These are my new favorite jeans. They come up super high. My belly button sits like right here, which I love. That's what I wanted. They are very loose on the waist, but like during this month, it's cool because I could wear my 32 degrees heat layering pants underneath these and they fit perfectly. These are a size small. I lost some weight. I'm about 112 pounds right now. Again, I'm 5'3", and these were a small. And they are like a little loose, as you could see from the side. They're kind of big, but I think if I intentionally threw them in the dryer to shrink them, that would definitely work. I have not done that yet. And like I said, it's the winter months here in New York, so I have been layering underneath these, which kind of makes them okay. This is my turtleneck, which I have worn in, you know, a million times. So this is it, just to give you guys an idea. Again, it's like the black one. It's like not an aggressive turtleneck. It's just very cute for style. It's not like keeping me extra warm up on my neck. It's literally just a style. And it's like not aggressive and doesn't sit tight. Okay, and then here is my hat. I don't have makeup on, but I just wanted to show you guys my hat. I'm trying my best not to like really show my face. It's kind of difficult, but my hat is so super cute. I don't have makeup on and I don't ever wear my hair straight, but so that's kind of weird for this video, but. Okay, so I'm just wearing the same outfit, the same pants, the same top, and I just threw on this jacket. I freaking love this jacket. It is probably the most expensive thing that I bought, which was, I don't know, maybe $30. And it's like adjustable on the side, so you could tighten it up. If you guys have the Bitmoji app where you guys can like make something look like you, or if you guys have seen mine, you know that in mine I'm wearing a green jacket that looks exactly like this. So yeah, that's just me. But yeah, I love this jacket. It's adorable. This was actually the first thing that came in. It came in like right away. Yeah, so that's that. There is not a hood on it, but it has like pockets that are functional and it zippers up in the front, and then it also has buttons outside of the zipper. So it would zipper up and then it would button. And there you go. And you could definitely like roll up sleeves if that's what you wanted. I'm just gonna be honest, I got 12 of these tops. I still have the tags on it. I've only worn the black one so far, and I just wanted to get these for like basic layering, just, you know, just kind of chill, whatever. They were super cheap. There was 12 of them, every different color, literally, that you could imagine, which I really appreciated, but you know, you could take your pick on what they have. These are the same pants that I was wearing in the previous clip, and then I just wanted to say about this top. So there were the ones that were more racer back than this, but I like to wear bras, so I couldn't wear something that's more racer back because then you would see my bra. So I got the one that's like a little bit wider in the back and you cannot see the bra. My bra strap is here and this goes until here. I'm not trying on all of them. There's 12. That would just be literally insane. And some of them aren't really like my color. I like a kind of more basic bland palette, and I like to accessorize with other things, but I figured I could wear it in the summertime and just go for it. So this is the top. And I like these pants because you could definitely tuck stuff in, which I love. All right, on to the next. This is just a long sleeve brown top. You really can't see. I'm gonna put on the blue one, which is exactly the same. It's with the jeans that I was wearing before, and it just, you know, goes all the way down instead of being a crop top. I didn't have any like basic long sleeve shirts like this. I like the neckline of it. It's not like revealing. It's just very modest. You could dress it up, you could dress it down, which I like. And then it comes up high in the back. And that is this. Of course, you can also tuck it in if that's something that you're into, which I probably would tuck this into these pants because I like the look of these pants. Okay, this is the blue top. It's the same thing as that brown one, only it is blue. And I've already worn this to work. So on my sleeve, it's like discolored because I got color on it. Story of my life. And again, the whole reason why I got these again is just like kind of to wear to work. I don't really want to wear crop tops to work every day. But again, this can be tucked in if you choose to wear it that way, which is cute. Like you could like literally just tuck the whole thing in, which is definitely an option I would probably go for because I just think that it looks very cute and slimming that way. But you know, it is a long shirt. I did want to also say that I have a crop top in the same color. I know I already mentioned it. It is in the hamper. That was also part of this Amazon haul. So I just want to say that that is, I think, the only thing that's missing. There were 2 other purchases that didn't come in and I got refunded for it. And then I have my romper that's left and then the shoes that I'm not going to try on. So let me try on the romper, and I just want to say that everything that you saw in this video, plus the cropped blue shirt of this, plus the 2 things that didn't come in that I did get refunded for on Amazon, all came to $200 and I had a gift card. So everything will be linked except for the 2 things that didn't come in. I will not link those. Okay, so this romper with heels would be like bomb. So it looks like it's casual and it's like super comfy and like kind of like a sweatshirt material, but I plan to wear this with heels and like really jazz it up, which it definitely can be. So it is shorts. And then there's like a waistband here and then this just kind of flops over, which I don't think you could see. Maybe from the sides you could see it a little better. So this is like the waistband and then it just kind of like flops over a little bit. So yeah, let me talk more about this. So everything that I purchased from the Amazon haul, I'm just trying to give you guys like a general overview of everything so you guys know how to shop, was purchased in the smallest size possible because I read the reviews. So I am going to link a video of just how to shop online, just to get the most bang for your buck and stuff like that. If you guys haven't seen it, it's going to be linked in the cards wherever that goes. But anyway, so I want to say everything was purchased in the smallest size. Some things were a little big and I kind of knew that going into it because I did read the reviews. This I purchased in a medium. This was not the smallest size. Smallest size I believe was small, but a lot of people said that it ran small. I am happy. I think it fits me very well. Like, I'm not upset about it. Like, I feel like I like that I got the medium in this because I think that it fits me very well. It's meant to be like a more loose, relaxed fit. And so I think that it's perfect that I got the size that I got. Yeah, so I just love it. I'm just gonna go get those shirts because I just kind of want to give you guys a general overview of everything that I got, as I had mentioned, and just so you guys can just get an idea of how much you could actually get if you shop on Amazon. Okay, so I didn't really think this one through, but these are all the tops that I got that I did not try on. There's 12 of them, and plus there's one in black that I have in the hamper. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys this so that you guys know when I say that all of this cost $200, I want you guys to know exactly what was included in that $200. All right, guys, let's get to the outro of this video, shall we? Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.